Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily restore your WhatsApp backup chats on your Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. Okay, but before we begin, this tutorial is for people who already have a backup created. If you don't know how to create a backup, on our channel there's a video where I'm showing you how you can do this easily. That's the step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin, before we open up our WhatsApp, we need to make sure that in the settings, as we scroll down and get into the Google, that we are logged into the same Google account on which we were logged in. The same Google account that we have selected when we are creating a backup. It is really important because if you'll be logged into other Google account, you won't have option to restore the chats, so have that in mind. Once we have checked that everything is fine, we can open up our WhatsApp. Now select your language and click on agree and continue. Click on allow to send notifications, and now we need to type our phone number in here. Once you have typed your phone number, we'll have to click on next, and then we need to verify our phone number. We have two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message, or we can use the missed call function. I always prefer the missed call function because for me it simply works better and it's a little bit faster than the code. So now I will type my phone number and I'll see you once I have verified my number. Alright, once you have verified your phone number, something like that should appear, contacts and media. Now we need to click on continue. Now click on allow for everything. And now we need to select restore from backup. Click on continue. And now you can see that our backup is being restored currently. As you can see also the account on which I made the backup, it's the same that I was showing you before in the settings of my device, so everything is fine. Now click on next. In here type your name and click on next. And now we can see that all of our messages, including photos and videos, has been successfully restored on our Samsung. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.